What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com, back with a new video. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about a must-have for all you upcoming or enthusiast film photographers that are looking to add a cool little piece of kit to your gear lineup. Let's talk about it. Alright everybody, what's up and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jose again from PetRockMedia.com, and on this channel we are any and all things photography. I also just recently launched a brand new channel full of gaming and just overall nerding out, live streaming, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to that channel down below. I'm also going to put it right here. Do me a favor and go check out that channel. Hit the subscribe button, punch the bell icon over there, as well as here for gaming content on that channel and photography content on this channel. Enough of the confusion though. So today what we're going to take a look at is a cool new piece of gear that we just added to our photography bag when we are interested in doing film photography. And that's this little camera right here from Kodak. This is the Kodak Ektar H35. Now it comes in multiple colors: brown, black, and this greenish kind of olive green color. Wanted something with a little bit of splash of color, which is why I went with this this particular model right here. I also picked up some film because it does shoot traditional 35mm film. I picked up the Ilford. This is the C41 process from Ilford, the XP2 super black and white film. Again, because it uses C41 processing, it doesn't take as long for certain film houses to develop the film. And then a traditional roll of Fujifilm. I'm a huge, obviously, if you follow the channel or if you're new here, I'm a huge Fujifilm fan, Fujifilm just lover of all their cameras, and so figured I'd pick up a roll of the Fujifilm Superior. This is daylight and flash 200 speed film. Just something to throw into the camera. Now what I like about this camera is that it shoots in half exposures, meaning you get the entire exposure. It's gonna only shoot to half of that particular exposure on the roll. So whatever roll you get, you're essentially getting double of those frames. Now obviously the prints are gonna come out smaller, but again, so this having 36 shots on it, double that, and that is exactly how many shots you're going to get out of this little camera right here. Now in my opinion, film photography is where it all starts in the form of art and framing and being very slow, very careful with your shots, because you are limited to a certain amount of shots, right? It's not based on a memory card where you fill one up, you throw in another card like that, and you keep continuously shoot and pray, if you will, chimping a lot, looking back, seeing if you got the shot and so forth, versus having to really slow down, take your time, get the shot, get it framed up, get it angled the way you want it, and then hit the shutter. That is one of the reasons why, in my opinion, film photography is still a great place to practice and begin that journey in photography. And a camera like this will definitely allow you to do that and also create some pretty amazing images. Now obviously, since it is still boxed up, I haven't opened it yet, so I can't put sample images up, but I will leave some reviews down below from others who have spoken to what you can get out of this camera. So again, I'm going to leave some of those down below. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about one of the latest piece of kit that we're going to be utilizing in our camera bags when we decide to shoot film photography, or just because, I mean, look at the size of this thing. It's small. I don't have my phone with me anywhere, but it's tiny. It is a tiny, and look at the roll of film compared to it right there, right? I mean, it's very tiny. So it's nothing to really just throw in a bag along with your DSLR, your mirrorless camera, and so forth, and take those film shots that give that nice filmic look that we're all trying to get out of our camera sometimes. And what better place to start than actually shoot with a film camera? What I do like about it is that it also utilizes a AAA battery, so no more of those funky, I think I have some over here, these batteries that you are always trying to find when you shoot with certain film cameras, film DSLRs, or even older film cameras. They use very odd batteries. This standard AAA battery, and you're good to go. So you're no longer having to search for particular batteries, find a photography store while you're out in a pinch. Once again, guys, that wraps up this video. I just wanted to show you a cool new piece of tech. If you are a film photography lover out there, be sure you leave me some comments down below. Be sure you hit that subscribe button, punch the bell icon, check out our new channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.